Hey squad, welcome back to my episode of Is in Orphan. So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a thermal printer that you can use to print like your shipping labels if you guys do like e-commerce or something. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand, and here is basically what the product looks like. So for the one that I got right here is a black color design. They do have this available in many other color designs as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what it actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So right here they provide guys load this, and they also provide guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. Next up right here they provide guys the cable that you're going to connect it to use it. Right here they provide guys a bunch of these printer papers that you can use to print out like the label and everything. And if this is not enough, you guys can definitely purchase more. And then right here they provide guys the power cable that you can plug in to actually use it. And last but not least, we do have the power right here. So take off all the wrappers first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So on top right here we do have the brand logo. Right here we do have the button for it to press. Front part right here is where the label will come out. On the side right here and right here, we do have the option for you guys to push it. And when you guys push it on both sides, that basically allows you guys to open the inside. So that way you can refill like the paper and everything when you guys do set it up. The top right here, if you guys notice, we do have the blade option for you guys to rip out the label when you guys are done printing it. But once you guys finish refilling it, you guys can push back down and lock it back in, and it's basically all set to start using it. If you guys turn to the back, right here we do have the slot for you to plug in the cable to activate it. Right here we do have the button for you to turn it off and on. And right here we do have the slot for you guys to plug in a cable to connect it onto your computer or a laptop or anything else. And then right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So you do have the ventilation option, and they also have like a non-slip material on all four corners. So that way the product won't move around when you guys do set it up. And if you guys are curious about the max width for that printing label right here, it is 4.25 inches long. So as long as the label is under that width, then you guys should be fine. And because the product is a thermal printer, it doesn't use any ink. So that will save you guys a lot of money as well. But the way how to design the product allows you guys to use your Windows, Mac, or Linux. And then obviously for the shipping labels, you can definitely print it for like Amazon or any other e-commerce as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me put this down on the table and set it all up, and we'll test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works first. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. Let's test it out to show you guys how it works. So the first thing I want to do is to plug in the cable on both sides first. So this one for power and this is for your computer or your laptop. So in this case I do have it plugged into my laptop. Before you turn on the product, you do want to download the driver first. So if you guys follow the instruction manual, they teach you guys how to actually install it. So there's the Mac version, there's a Windows version, and there should be a Linux version as well. Since I'm going to use my MacBook Pro, let me show you guys how to download it. So basically once you guys go to the website, you guys want to find the one that you guys want. So they have iOS, Windows, Mac, and the list goes on. In this case, I do have the Mac. And it brings you to this screen right here. So once you guys get to this screen, you guys want to look for the device that you have. So in this case, I have this one, which is the SP410. So once you guys download the driver, then you can start using the device. So I already downloaded the driver, so let's turn it on. So basically, I want to turn on the switch in the back. And that basically activates the product. So let's press on the feed button. That basically feeds out the paper. So what I'm going to do is to open up the actual product, so that way you can put the new paper in. So let's put in a new piece of paper to show you guys a test run. Alright, so we got a label inside. So what I'm going to do right now is close it back up. And then once you guys close it up, you guys are ready to start using it. So I basically have a sample shipping label right here. So what I'm going to do is print this out. So when you get to this screen right here, you basically want to press on right here. Click on see more. And you guys want to find the one that you have. So in this case, it's this one right here. And once you guys click on print, it should print it out. So let's test it out. Alright, so once you guys print it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see how it took less than 10 seconds for it to print out. And once you guys are done, you can just rip it out. And now you guys have your shipping label to use for shipping your packages and etc. And if you guys are curious, this part right here is a sticker option. So you can definitely peel it out. So that way you can stick it on your package. But that is basically how you guys use the product. And you see, very easy and very simple. Didn't take that long to set it up. And the process of the printing option is actually really fast if you guys just saw. But you can see the product definitely does work and should work quite well. Welcome back guys. So now that it's all quick test, the product definitely see it actually does work and actually works quite well. So whether if you guys want to use it for your home business or if you guys want to use it for your office business or anywhere else, however you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But you see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. It's actually pretty easy and actually works really well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we do unboxing and test the product, Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want indeed one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality thermal printer to print out all your shipping labels for your business, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.